We need help. The United States of America is one of the richest nations in the world. Many people move here from other countries. They know that their children will have a better life if they live in America. Most Americans believe that if you work hard, you will be well compensated. And most of the time, that is true. However, it is not true for everyone. There are many people in our country who do not make enough money. They are often people just like you and me who have had some bad luck. Maybe they have had a major accident that prevents them from working. Or maybe they made some bad choices in their lives. Whatever happened to them or whatever they did, they deserve to be treated like human beings. The government has programs for people who do not make much money. People can get money from the government to help pay for food and a place to live. The government does not give people enough to live luxuriously, but it is usually enough to help a little. Unfortunately, the government needs help too. It costs a lot of money to help people. There is a solution though: volunteers. To volunteer is to dedicate your time to something without asking for money in return. There are many ways to volunteer. You can work in a place that feeds homeless people. You can visit older people who do not have any kin left. Today, 27% of Americans help others by volunteering. This figure is pretty high, but it could be much higher. Even if you are a minor, you can still make a difference. There are many ways to volunteer to help your community, and whatever you do, it will be appreciated. Number 1. According to the passage, why do many people move to America? Number 2. What are 2 reasons explaining why people might not have enough money? Make sure you give me 2 reasons. 3. What are some things the government can help pay for? Number 4. According to the passage, what are some ways to volunteer? Number 5. What percentage of Americans volunteer?